For more difficult spinal conditions involving sciatica, scoliosis, and spinal arthritis, today's chiropractic utilizes static traction. So our 3D dental roll table is like a giant Lego set with specific blocks and spinal orthotics we use under tension to recreate the proper positioning of your spine and decompress the nerves. This is one of those interventions where it's absolutely critical to diagnose based on X-ray and MRI so we get this right. Now, I've been fortunate to train with some of the most advanced clinics in spinal correction in both North America and Australia that use this type of equipment. And what's really satisfying is when someone is in queue for surgery, if they're a good candidate for the dental roll table, we get them set, and over time, their body starts to heal. And it's not uncommon for the surgeon to see those updated X-rays and forego the surgery. Our work is so much more than just beating lower back and neck pain. Now, don't get me wrong, that's great, but getting someone who can't pick up their grandkids or spend time in their garden back doing those things, that's rewarding. When we can take a teenager with scoliosis and reduce the amount of curve to the point that they're not seeing that deformity in the mirror, or they're not limited in their activity because of pain, that's rewarding. Today's chiropractic is so much more than when I first started 25 years ago. Your body has an incredible healing power that runs along your spinal nerves. But if the spine, discs, or ligaments that are supposed to protect your nerves are damaging them, then that power is disrupted. If you've never been checked by a chiropractor, or if it's been a while since you've checked out chiropractic, you might be surprised at what's possible.